Y'all are always asking me, hey Matt, can we see a 34 footer? Can we see inside? Can we see more videos? Can we see more videos? We're taking the video for you. Enjoy. So first of all, you got so much more room. You know, it's 34 feet. It's not 24 feet. It's like you could almost live in here. It's so big, right? You got a full, it's like 20 feet of open space here. Then you have the same kitchenette here, bottom and upper. We got the loft above, just like we do for the weekender, but we've oriented it more like the overnighter where we've turned the kitchenette this way. Everyone loves a pocket door, so that's what we've got here. Special order. And then they ordered this side-by-side kitchen, bathroom sort of situation where they've got the shower right across from the toilet. So you can come on in and give them a look at that. Jordy's trying his hand at the old videography. And then over here, Jordan, you can show them how there's this empty space over here. I believe they're going to put a sauna in here. At least I hope they do. And then, behold, the floating vanity sink we're so proud of. And there you have it, folks. Wide open space, very simple, very minimalistic, very clean, but a lot more room. So if you're going to live in here, you know, I would probably put a fridge over here, and then maybe you could have room for a table here, and then yet you have room for a full sofa over here, right? And then yet your bed. And you could also order one of our bunk bed options with storage underneath and ladder and all that. So you get tons of storage and extra sleeping space. You have basically 3 sleeping spaces. So there you have it, folks, the 34 footer.